Hey, Sneakerheads, go and hit that subscribe button. Release a video or short almost every day. Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
Hey, what's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Too easy. It's too easy.
So today we have that weekly heat, baby.
That weekly heat. Yes, sir. That weekly heat.
So we're
Yes,
starting
sir.
off with the Air Jordan 1 mid coming out on September 12th. Jordan 1 Cacao. Wow, I may be saying it wrong, but correct me in the comments if you know the correct name. This shoe is, they call this like a teddy bear shoe because it's made out of chocolate, and the upper features different colors of browns and does have a pop of color with a light yellow on the swoosh, as well as that Air Jordan logo. It does feature aqua laces. Let me know if in the comments, are you rocking these or dropping these? How about you, my brother?
Hey, I'm a one fan. So out the gate, I love that color, especially going into the fall. You know me, my sneakers always about the gear I can wear with them. So that one there gets a thumbs up. I'm rocking those. What's next?
Yes, sir. So next we got the Air Jordan 4 Caco Wow, released on the same day. Now, if I had to choose a shoe, I would probably go for these fours over the ones. Keep in mind, these are grade school. Unfortunately, I do like the colorway. It does feature that, again, brown fall color, again, with the accent hits of that seafoam green. It does feature that light gum bottom with white hits throughout. On the back, it does have that Jumpman logo in that seafoam green or blue green. I do think this is a nice colorway, in my opinion. If I had a kid, I would definitely cop a pair to rock those for him. Let me know, are you rocking these or dropping these sneakerheads? Let us know in the comments. How about you, my brother?
Hey, come on, man. Hey, they know I'm a one and a four man out the gate. So that colorway, hey, is a fall color. That there is a nice outfit, shoe. Hey, rocking those. Nice work with those. I can see them doing very well, even though they grade school, right? It's a darker color for the kids, so they won't scuff them up as bad.
Yes, sir. So
Yep.
we will be trying to go for these just to get those in hand so we can look. Y'all can see those in hand in person. We'll have
Okay.
to wait and see who's in the raffle when they come in. But stay tuned, sneakerheads. What we got
Right.
next, my brother?
Hey, on the 13th, we got those ones coming out, those retro high OG Paraline. These here are coming out. These sizes running women's, they're going for 180. Then we have the preschoolers that's going for 85. And then we have the infant and the toddlers that are going for 70, right? And they do come out on the 13th. This shoe right here is a nice, clean shoe. It's a high fashion shoe, right? So with the right outfit, women, ladies, right? That leather, that tan leather, it reminds me of a designer bag with that two-tone color blocking. Crisp, very crisp, clean shoe. This here, hey, I'm rocking those. I'm rocking those. Hey, drop us a comment down below, ladies, if you rocking or dropping them. What about you, bro?
I think that is a clean colorway, and I agree with you. I'm rocking those as well. With the clean colorway like this, you can't go wrong with these. And even though the Jordan 1s are not performing that well, I do expect these, if you're a female, to go ahead and cop those and rock them. It's a nice, clean colorway, in my opinion.
Okay. So
What we got
coming
next, my brother?
up next, we got those corporate X, Jordan. It's a collab, right? That airship, right? It was supposed to release on the 8th. If any of drop us a comment below. But right now, on certain sites, they have them coming out on the 15th. This is a man's pair, right? That I'm looking at, going for about 150. Could that be true with that mint color? Could
Yes,
that
sir.
that's it, huh? Right. Currently, they got locations in Ohio and Indiana. The airship Jordan Brand silhouette, right? It's a collab. Well respected boutique, right? And like I said, mentioned earlier, they do have locations in Ohio and Indiana. It's a Midwest premier, so I could see that doing quite well with me living in Indiana, right? So that there, me a one fan as always. Hey, I'm rocking those. What about you, my brother?
I know we don't rock the airships, but I'm gonna go ahead and give these a thumbs up because the colorway is very different and unique. I did think with that rough leather that's going on, it kind of reminds me of the New Balance, which it is in style. I think that they'll do good, but it does look more for female, in my opinion. But the guys are rocking pink too these days, so hey. we're rocking these too.
Hey, I ain't mad at him. What's next, my brother?
So this is like a little extra. These are the Air Force Ones Terror Squad. He's releasing on September 16th on the Sneakers app. Like, I don't know why Nike took so long to have these finally come out. But if you've been waiting on these, Terror Squad fans, you ready to cop these. Collaboration with Fat Joe, Terror Squad. Air Force Ones with a retail price of $150. It feature that black and white, which I think can be rocked with almost anything, similar to that panda colorway that everyone loves. So I see these doing well. This is a collaboration for $150 for collaboration. To me, it's not bad. Not bad at all. And let me know in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? How about you, my brother?
Hey, with me not knowing too much about that collab, I'm gonna just go ahead and just keep it short and to the point. Hey, I'm dropping those. I'm dropping those.
Yes, sir.
And if y'all like content like this, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Bless others. Peace.